Hey guys, just been on a bike ride for a bit. I just decided to take a video. Don't know if I can actually video and ride my bike. I thought I'd stop here because it's quite nice and it's very sunny. It's about 105 degrees, which is about 40 degrees Celsius, about. Oh my gosh, it's so hot, but it's such a nice day. Alright, here we are. I'm going to miss this once school starts back up. Look, cacti. Look, a swing. Alright. My legs are a bit wobbly. Alright. I just decided to take a bit of a detour, I guess you would call it. Bumpy. It's all good. I'm sure people think I'm insane. You see that guy? Power to him. He's trying to be healthy. That's all you ask for. 2 miles left. We can do this. Or I can. You can just sit at home on your computer.